In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Browse AI and show you how you can quickly leverage this powerful tool to automate data extraction, monitor your competitors, and more, all without writing a single line of code. If you're looking to get your feet wet with Browse AI, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be set up and ready to start scraping data for your business, marketing, or research needs. First off, let me tell you, Browse AI is a game changer for anyone looking to automate the extraction of data from websites. You don't need to know anything about coding, and it's not just for developers or tech experts. In fact, you can get started for free from the first link below, which will also give you access to some exclusive bonuses. You'll want to stay tuned for that. The best part about Browse AI is its user-friendly interface. Once you sign up and log in, you can immediately start creating your first robot. This is the automated workflow that will scrape data for you. You just have to point Browse AI to a web page, highlight the elements you want to extract, whether it's text, images, or links, and the software takes care of the rest. It's really that simple. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can use Browse AI. One common use case is competitor monitoring. Imagine you want to track pricing on a competitor's website. With Browse AI, you can set up a robot to check that site regularly and deliver the data right to your inbox without you needing to manually refresh and compare prices. It's a massive time saver. Another use case is lead generation. Browse AI can automatically extract business contact information, whether it's emails or phone numbers, from directories or listings. This can be especially useful for sales teams, digital marketers, or anyone running outreach campaigns. Plus, it's not just static data extraction. You can schedule your robots to run at specified times or intervals, so you always have fresh data coming in. You also have the option to use Browse AI for monitoring changes on websites. Whether you're tracking inventory updates, news, job postings, or even changes to social media platforms, Browse AI lets you stay on top of things without constantly checking back. All you need to do is set it up once, and it will run automatically. When you're ready to dive deeper, Browse AI also offers more advanced features. You can run multiple robots at once, export your data to various formats, and integrate with other tools like Google Sheets and Zapier to automate even more of your workflows. You can also use their browser extension for faster setup and easier browsing. A key part of Browse AI's appeal is its pricing structure. They offer a completely free version, which is more than enough for basic needs like testing or small-scale projects. However, if you're looking to scale, they have affordable plans that unlock additional robots, data export options, and advanced integrations. To wrap up, you can get started with Browse AI for free by clicking the link below. In addition, by signing up through this link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to explore all the features without any rush. If you're looking to automate tasks, save time, or scale your data collection, Browse AI is a tool you'll want in your toolbox. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive offer and dive into the power of Browse AI today.